Welcome. Today we will be seeing how to use the circuit maker, which is a very popular simulation tool for electronic circuits. First, open the circuit maker, and there you can browse all components manually, or you can just click on search and you can just write, for example, BC547 transistor. So I am double click and place the component here. Then if you press the hotkey R on keyboard, you can simply choose a resistor. Now you can Ctrl+C copy and again paste it, and selecting it and press rotate, and you will rotate this. Just drag and drop. And now again I browse to power supplies, linear class B, place it here, and ground. And now I will search for a SPDT switch, single pole double throw. Just drag and drop. And now I will just join the connections. Just use your mouse to join it. And now you can again click on this to again select a hole, and you can copy and paste it, and you can copy and paste like that. Also you can press escape if you don't want to do this. And now this is a probe tool. You can place the probe here, and now if you run the simulation, see ampere, and if you change it to into V, into voltage, then you are seeing voltage. Again current, so current. Just place your mouse and click on it, click on the probe. And now if now I am stopping it and then covering the switch, and now I run the simulation again. See, a small transient has occurred, and then the final value is 13.34 picoampere. Again I switch to voltage, and see it is now 10 volt after toggling the switch, pulling the base to ground. So in this way you can use the simulation mode. And for digital simulation mode, if you run this, you can only see high and low values like H or L. So in this way you can use the circuit maker to simulate any circuit you like. And I'll be showing more tutorials about how to use advanced features of circuit maker in later tutorials. So this is just a getting started video, and I think you have found this video useful. So please share this video with your friends, and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.